Whew. Wow. I was walking outside, and as I walked outside, I found this shiny Pansear. I am so happy. Now, after this, I will be hunting for shiny Pansage. And let's catch it. 1, 2, 3. Got him. Yes. Nope. Okay. I've been looking all morning for him. I'm so happy. Oops. There he is! Shiny Pansear! So happy. He's so orange. He's so orange. Make your ears. Like the top right here. Aww. Hungry? Here, since you're orange. Have an orange. Pansear's awesome. Okay, I'll put you in battle. I'm gonna find it. Did I find it in here? I think so. Yeah, I found it in here. Normal Pyro. Shiny Pansear. Yay! I'm gonna save. Totally forgot to save. Normal Pansear. Shiny Pansear. I love my Pansear. Shiny Pansear. He's so orange. So yeah, next I'll be hunting for shiny Pansage, which I have like 3 safaris with Pansear in it. Like only one safari with Pansage and Panpour. But I have a ton with Pansear. So yeah, I went through like 3 shiny break-ins just to get it. So, another normal Pansear. Shiny Pansear! I am so happy. Okay, so wish me luck on my shiny Pansage hunt. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye!